Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken Herald using an easy method. First, let's outline the process. We'll cover the essential steps, from preparation to execution, ensuring you have a clear path forward. This approach is designed to be straightforward, helping you achieve your goal without unnecessary complications. By following these simple guidelines, you can significantly reduce the time and frustration often associated with such achievements. Let's dive in and get you that Kraken Herald. Before you begin, some key preparations are crucial. Make sure your character is at least level 50 and has appropriate gear. Consider acquiring any items that provide a bonus to your efforts, as these can make a big difference. Forming a small, reliable group of 2 or 3 players is highly recommended. Teamwork can drastically speed up the process. Having a plan before you start will save you valuable time and effort during the actual attempt. Now, let's talk strategy. The easiest method involves a specific sequence of actions. Focus on completing the primary objectives first, as these are directly tied to the Kraken Herald. Avoid distractions and stick to the most direct path. If you encounter challenges, remember to use your group's combined abilities effectively. For example, one player might draw attention while another completes an objective. This coordinated effort is key to a smooth and successful run. To maximize your efficiency, don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't perfect. Learn from each run and refine your approach. Many players find success after a few tries, making small adjustments along the way. Keep an eye on community forums for any new tips or tricks that might emerge. Once you've successfully obtained the Kraken Herald, take a moment to enjoy your accomplishment. You've earned it through smart preparation and execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.